What's up, explorers? Welcome back to our channel. We're the Choose here from Choose to Explore, where we teach you guys how to see the world
and save $1.
So we're here in the beautiful private island in the middle of the Indian Ocean. We're here at the Waldorf Astoria Platte Island, and this is a brand new luxury hotel, 5 stars, and we're here to show you guys what the resort and what the rooms look like. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one. We'll be showing you guys 3 different room types. So let's go.
So we actually booked a standard villa, but because of our diamond status, we got upgraded to this Hawksbill villa. So let's take a look inside. Okay, there's a nice open entryway with nice designs. There's hats here for us to wear. Also beach bag and beach towels included for us. As you come in here, there's a nice open seating area, living room with a huge nice TV as well. If you make your way over to here, this is going to be my favorite spot in the morning because there's complimentary teas and an espresso, so I'm going to have a great time every morning getting my cup of tea. And then over here, we have a nice private bar, so there's lots of options here. If you just take a look, open it up, nice variety, nice options.
And these are all for a fee as well.
Yes. So I really love how this area can actually be divided. So if you just push this right on along, you can separate the areas. And it's really cool, really nice separation, nice privacy.
So that I can have my own space over here and she can have hers over there.
Yes, so if you come back over through here, you'll actually find the closet space. There's lots of closet space. So all through here, all in here, there's closet space. We keep coming, we keep our luggage in this little section over here. And through here they have some nice robes for us, very plush robes. They have slippers, they have ironing board, iron, everything that we would need. Okay, so we'll make our way back around. As you can see, this is the bed, really nice, comfortable, soft bed, and another TV here in the bedroom. And again, you can close this area off if you like. So now let's keep coming to the bathroom. So the bathroom actually has its own toilet room through here. And then you come out here, there's double sinks, there's his and her sinks. There's a soaking tub, and there's also this really nice vanity here to get ready. And then they also have these custom kimonos that look just like the water here in Seychelles. So these are really cute, really nice design. And then right through here is the shower room. So it has a nice rain head shower and a handheld shower as well. But also, if you come outside, there's actually an outdoor shower. Now follow me out this way. So here's our patio area. It's a nice deck with a huge seating area. I love this swinging sofa kind of area, really relaxing and really nice dining area. The dining area here is so nice and really cool to look out at the pool. And then there's just so much yard to go check out and see, and just all this free space just for us.
So Liv showed you guys our villa, but my favorite part is actually not the villa, because technically this is beachfront, even though we have all of this yard. So I'll show you. You walk all the way down here. This garden, like I said, this is all for us. Keep walking. This way. And right here on the beach, this is our own private entrance to the beach. And look here, spectacular.
So here's the big pool, and it's really nice, relaxing. There's a lot of chairs here that you can sit by the pool and relax. You can actually sit in the pool and relax as well. There are umbrellas over the chairs, lots of shade, little shaded area over here.
You can also come over here and play some ping pong. Right over here is La Ligne, which is going to be the bar for drinks, and it's a great place for the sunset. Unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, but the sun has risen. But check out this pool. I wanted to show you guys. The beautiful pool. Infinity, yes, that's right. And you come this way, you're right here on the beach. And then beyond this is more beach.
So on the front part of the island, they actually have a solar farm that generates all the electricity for the island.
So they really strive to be a net zero hotel, using the electricity, getting its own water, collecting all the garbage and waste, and no single-use plastics. They are an amazing property. So the next category up from our room is the Grand Hawksbill Villa. So come and let's check this one out. So this is similar. You walk in and it's separate. It has the living room area here. Separate bar, coffee studio here. This area, the private bar as well. But what is a little bit different and bigger is this room. It's a study room. And let me put the lights on here so you can see a little bit more. So you have this big study room here that can extend out and make an extra bed. So if you have another guest, they can stay right over there. But then you come this way. This is the bathroom. So a little different setup this bathroom than ours because the toilet and the rainfall shower are all together, but there's two different bathrooms. So come back to the study area. We'll come this way, and this is the big bedroom, and here is the other bathroom, which is just like ours. So this is amazing. Let me put the lights on for a second. Same big tub, water closet this way, shower this way. But the thing that and also you come this way, and it has, let me unlock this here, it's a double lock. You're gonna have an outdoor shower the same way. But the thing that I really like about this room is if you have another guest, they can kind of be separate and have their own space. So you have this space, can all be theirs. And you have a guest here, you can literally just close this room off. Or if you have kids or whoever else you wanna hide, you could just make this their own space and they have their own separate bathroom, which is nice. Then in the backyard, it's the same setup as ours. You're gonna have a big, well actually it's gonna be a little bit bigger because it's a bigger room. I'm just gonna walk out here. Same big expansive backyard. Out here and all the way right there is the beach, beachfront. Beautiful property still here. So one of the best things about staying here is your own personal concierge. So right here, we have Donya over here, who has been phenomenal for us. We're planning a trip to go to Tunisia. So if you guys see us in Tunisia to go visit her, know that we're gonna go there. But she's taking us to our next property, to the next villa here. But on the property, they have the one that we are in. They have a 2-bedroom. They have a 3-bedroom and they have a 5-bedroom. All right, so next up on our tour is the 2-bedroom villa. So this one, when you walk in, it's a little bit different because they have this big kind of like island area, the staircase kind of thing. And you come this way, and as you see from the outside, it's a lot bigger. Let me take my shoes off before I get in. And this one's gonna be more ideal for my families. As you see, everybody gets their own personalized bike, and they even got one for the kid as well. So let's come this way. Housekeeping is here. All right, so let's check in. Same outdoor setup, inside setup. Come this way. Now this is definitely a bigger, expansive living room area. Same huge open spaces. Let's go this way, okay? Bedroom, so this one for sure, same king size bed, huge space here, beautiful amenities, and similar setup as ours right now. So you have big tub, his and her sinks, the little nightstand getting ready, separate shower and water closet. Come this way, let me just unlock this. Double locks. And same outdoor shower here. Good. All right, we're gonna come back this way and let's see the other side because it is 2 bedrooms. Come this way, and this is the 2nd bedroom. So on this side now, you have 2 beds, and what I love about this is when you come right here, you can separate it. So the kids can have their own space, the parents can have their own space, or whoever else you want. Come this way. Once again, I'm just gonna show you. High ceilings, glass windows you open up, and his and her sinks, big bathtub, vanity, indoor bathroom, and tall shower. Come this way.
Another outdoor shower.
Yes, another outdoor shower.
And then we'll take you out to the pool, which is actually a bigger pool.
There we go. Show me. Come this way. And yeah, wow. So their patio definitely is bigger than our patio. Come this way. And this is a huge pool. Look how big this is. And everybody has their own space right here. You see they're cleaning. You have their own beach access this way. This is stunning. You have a day bed on this one, which is good. And I'm still walking out here on this outdoor patio. It's humongous. Yeah, but you got your own beach access.
Make yourself right at home here.
For sure. All my families, this is for you. So also in the 2 bedroom, the 3 bedroom, and the 5 bedroom villa, which I'm not going to show you guys in this video because they're fully occupied, is they're also equipped with a nanny room. So all my people who come on business, this is perfect for you guys. So let's come this way. You have your own separate key, so you can enter this way. And look at this. Nanny room, that's their bed. You come this way. Same, wow, this is amazing. And shower, you come this way. It's separate, they have their own AC, separate door, separate entrance. So it's literally, this is the property and that's the nanny room. So perfect for my family's people who traveling with them as well.
Thank you guys so much for checking out our video. We had an amazing time here at the Waldorf Astoria Platte Island, but have so many more videos coming your way. Next week, we'll be showing you all the great things you can eat and unique food experiences on this resort. The week after, a video on all the amazing things you can do on the property through our full 6-day experience. Subscribe for more travel videos. See you guys next week.